Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic roof, tow hitch, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.